I have two, I think.
Go ahead.
What about the water gas heater? Must this be turned off on Shabbos or pilot flame?
No, but if you don't use this hot water, there is no problem. It could be on. I mean, you're not doing anything. Like it just keeps the water hot, like indirectly. There is no problem. It's like same thing when you leave the light on Shabbos. Could be on. So whatever you did before Shabbos and you like don't take any action, there is no problem.
But what if this thing fires up?
Like start working, there is no problem whatsoever. There is no problem. There is I give you a better example. So if somebody have has air conditioner on, sometimes shuts down, sometimes starts. Right, you have heat. It goes to a certain temperature and that shuts down. And then when the temperature drops, it starts like fires up from this, as you said, from pilot light and continue. There is no problem. So you do not do anything in this case. So the idea for us to remember is from Talmud Shabbos. It says you can open this irrigation system, right, on Shabbos, and it would irrigate your garden the whole Shabbos. There is no problem. So that's the same idea, right? So okay.
But this example is, I think, is better. The air conditioner, if it's a really hot day, somebody open the door, it's going to enter heat, and the air conditioner is going to consume more energy.
Yes, yeah, but okay. So there is no problem since it is working. It is working, and it's not like instantaneous. I open the door, I come in, and it started working. Let's say it was not working. I open, and so the thermostat of air conditioner. I'm not a big expert in air conditioners, but I think maybe it's 2 or 3 degrees. So it's not like half a degree. You understand? So it's the temperature has to rise significantly for air conditioner to run on. For me to open the door, where's the door, where's the air conditioner, it would take some time. So it's negligent effect. We do not care, and that's why it is allowed to open the refrigerator on Shabbos. We didn't get to it. Did we get to it? No, we did not. We're going to learn about refrigerators on Shabbos also. So technically it is allowed. You just have to unscrew the bulb, but all other things, the motor, no problem.